here hasn't had paella? Oh, so okay, good, perfect. I don't have to say much. Everyone had paella. Thank you for coming. No, for real, who hasn't had paella? Oh, really? Everyone really had paella? Oh, good, perfect audience. So I don't have to explain much. But if you want to know the details of how to make it, if you haven't made it at home, we have Chef Desa here from GOYA, and I'll let him talk a little bit about paella.
How's everybody doing? Everybody good? Hungry people? Everybody's hungry today? We got some flans here, cookies, and then we're gonna have some paella. All right? Paella, typical from Spain. It's a rice. It's a rice that have a lot of seafood. I mean, chorizo, chicken. In fact, you can make your own different version of it. I'm making the GOYA version, which we use our GOYA rice paella kit that has the yellow rice that you need to have the paella made. Also with the seafood, the seasoning, and then we're gonna add our GOYA chorizo. Not spicy, Spanish style, paprika, garlic, onion, a lot of flavors that we want. Season with GOYA adobo to give the perfect flavor to all your recipes. And to start it, nothing better than with the best extra virgin olive oil in the world, which is the GOYA extra virgin olive oil. Organic, extra virgin olive oil, regular, pure, and so many more that we have. As she said, my name is Fernando Desa. I'm the corporation for GOYA Foods. I work developing recipes for a website, social media, do events, and I work also making all these recipes that you can find in the back panel of the products. GOYA, the largest Hispanic company in the world, over 3,000 products, references from South America, Central America, Mexico, Caribbean, Spain, in fact, everywhere. It's an honor for me to be here, and like the past 6 years before the pandemic, I used to come here and cook at the canal side with GOYA, bringing Latin flavor to the canal side and the Hispanic Heritage Council, and bringing good flavors and smiles for everybody here. Yesterday we had tons of people in the canal side, and they enjoyed our quesadillas with our chipotles, with fried beans, sazon, with adobo, and it was spectacular. So today we're gonna bring you some paella. Now, paella, how do you make paella? First you start with some GOYA olive oil, and you saute some chorizo. Get the chorizo, all those flavors of the chorizo to come out. You get it nice in color, nice brown color, you take it out. Then we got some chicken seasoned with GOYA adobo, right? Sear the chicken, take it out. Then after that, what we do is we get some of the seafood mix that come in a can, water, bring it to a boil, add the rice back for 15 minutes, then add all the seafood, the chicken, the chorizo, cover 20 minutes, and it's ready. Then we finish with some pimientos, GOYA pimientos, so we have in a little jar, and peas. And then we go with the family, perfect for football season, perfect to enjoy with family. It's all about, that's what it's all about. I mean, enjoying good food with good ingredients, what better with GOYA. Anybody have paella before? Okay, you guys know the paella, traditional paella is from Valencia, from Spain, and they all have different versions. The one from Valencia have rabbit, and it's what it is. It's just a rice, yellow rice with saffron, with rabbit, and it's really good. But each part of Spain have their own type of paella. They have paella marinera, which is only seafood. They have the Valenciana, which have some seafood, some chorizo, some chicken. In fact, we do the one that GOYA has, that we've been doing for years in all our events, that we put chicken, pieces of pork, chorizo, clams, mussels, calamari, shrimp, some fish, like mahi-mahi that we put today, and it's outstanding. So I hope you guys like it, and we're gonna be able to try it in 2 or 3 minutes. And always remember, if it's GOYA, has to be good. Si GOYA tiene que ser bueno. A couple of minutes, you gotta be able to try it. If any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.
So, has anyone watched the movie? It was yesterday, right? It was yesterday where the parents said yes? Today is yesterday. So that means today's yes to trying things you may not have tried before. Or
guys want to come over and see it?
Who's never had flan before? So we got some good flan. It's not just for the kids. The parents can also try new things because I know sometimes we're hesitant, unsure if we're gonna like it. If you don't like it, you're not hurting my feelings. So we want to go ahead and try some flan. This is really good. Like let's say, I don't know, you're going to like a picnic to eat, you throw it in the ice in the cooler with your drink.
Take a big smell, go.
The kids want to take a snack to school. They want something sweet. I like to have something.
You gonna try it?
You want to try it?
You want to try some?
So this is a
Here.
good,
Special rice?
It's dairy free, right? I know that.
You want to try flan?
Not that they're already, like you can
Well done. I didn't forget about you guys.
enjoy. Thank you. Enjoy. You want to try it? Anybody want some paella? Please come over.
I have a few forks. There's a few of us at the table. Absolutely. Thank you. You're
I want some paella here, guys. Come over. Please come to the front.
Grab that juice. Perfect.
You can do it. Fernando, how you score doing this?
The whole idea is you do this product to make sure you get 15 to 20 minutes. So the season is already in the rice. The substitution is